What's up, guys? Today a little update. I finally got the logo on. No thanks to a certain somebody that I sent this mod to. So you're welcome for the free mod that I was not going to give you. And thanks for the useless video you put out. You know who you are. Anyway, I got the logo on and I'm still trying to figure out how I can get it off the roof. This is about as close as I got it. It is a mesh slap, so it's different. But let's enjoy some cool driving, and I will figure this out.